Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing today? Happy Easter number 2. And it does look like the new Quetzalcoatl hurricane will they, won't they pattern just dropped, possibly. You see, this is from the map on the 28th. And it looks like you got a storm moving to the east, and then a possible tropical storm hybrid hurricane type blob thingy headed towards Florida, right? Now, fast forward backwards to now, and we're tracking the modern day version of the future thingy. Does that make any sense? Anyway, we're tracking this crazy blob down in the Gulf of Mexico on top of the gravity waves, and then the snow and ice coming to like Wisconsin and everybody around here. Overall, this looks like a pretty crazy situation, as we are now about 100 days away. I'm sorry, 100 hours away from the hybrid total asterisk solar eclipse that'll be going over Australia on the 420. Yep. And I just want to make an observation that, like, with, people in Sudan firing missiles at each other and air jets and stuff, and then that kind of happening in Israel and Palestine, and then that kind of happening in Russia and Ukraine. And, it's weird that the Americas, that we're not firing any missiles at each other. The Americas relative, I'm talking about North America, Central America, South America, we're relatively peaceful, asterisk, comparatively. I got another remembrance observation for you. Hey, remember a couple months ago when there was that hurricane thingy, cyclone thingy, that was banging into Madagascar and Africa back and forth for a month? Anyway, that possibility happening during hurricane season, I would say, is at least 5%. Where we just get like a month-long hurricane storm that won't go away. Because it happened already, and Mother Nature tends to repeat patterns. So, how soon will we see hurricane? Like, it ain't even hurricane season yet. All right, so we are just tracking the storms. You got one here. We got one here. We got one down there. And then you got this thing. Not worried about it. Are you worried about it? But I'm just saying, the pattern. The pattern. Mike's weather page of SpaghettiModels.com and NWS just posted on the Gulf Blob. There is uncertainty regarding the evolution of the ongoing Gulf of Mexico storm cluster, though remnants of these storms could cross central South Florida tonight with a continued threat for isolated wind damage or hail. Remember, you got some pop-up storm that hung over Fort Lauderdale for like 24 hours and dropped 30 inches of rain. So due to that and the eclipse coming up, let's just stay on high alert, especially you, Florida. And look at that cold, icy, snowy chunk of precipitation and rain that is heading over multiple states and multiple countries. This is the USA and Canada. All right, God bless everyone. Have a resurrection day, cupcake day, y'all.